In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have Airtable linked to your ChatGPT account, so you can manage that connection right inside the app with just a few clicks. Start in ChatGPT. Look down to the bottom left corner and click your profile. This opens your account area, and it's where you'll find the controls you need. Make sure you're signed in to the right account before you go any further, especially if you use multiple profiles for work and personal projects. Next, click Settings. This brings up a panel with options for how ChatGPT behaves and what it's connected to. From here, choose Apps. The Apps section is your hub for managing third-party connections, including Airtable. It shows what's already connected and where you can add more. Now, click Explore Apps, or you might see Add More depending on your interface. Both take you to the same place, a catalog of available integrations. Once you're there, you'll see a search field. Type Airtable into the search bar. Be sure to spell it as a single word so it shows up right away. You should see the Airtable option appear in the results, along with a brief description that confirms you've got the right one. Click Connect. This starts the connection process. At this point, just follow the on-screen instructions. You may be prompted to review what the integration can access and to confirm the account you want to use. If any permission screens appear, take a moment to read them so you understand what data the integration will be able to see or update. When you're comfortable, approve the prompts to continue. The flow is straightforward and may complete in just a few seconds. Once you're done, you'll be taken back to the Apps area and Airtable will appear in your list of connected apps. That's your confirmation that everything worked. From here, the connection is ready for use inside ChatGPT according to the permissions you allowed, so your workspace can start interacting with Airtable data where supported. If you don't see Airtable in search, double-check the spelling and make sure you're looking in the Explore or Add More section. If Connect is unavailable, it could mean your organization requires admin approval. In that case, you'll need to follow any prompts you see on screen to request access. And that's it. Click your profile, open Settings, choose Apps, Explore or Add More, search Airtable, hit Connect, and follow the instructions you're shown. You're all set to move forward with your connected workflow.